Tornadoes in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Williamson County until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Holland, or 14 miles northeast of Granger, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Taylor, Granger, Bartlett, Thrall, Granger Dam, Copeland, Lanaport, Hoxie, Bearsville, Waterloo, Hare, Noak, and Sandoval. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The Austin Bergstrom Climate Summary for this evening.